Hello and welcome to Patrick's Models and Transport. So here's an update on the Jouef country station. By using levers, my levers here, and also a little help from my friend the wooden-handled screwdriver, I succeeded in prising the station off the baseboard. So generally, it's not the kind of thing I usually do on an assembled model of a building because you might risk things breaking, but this is in not great condition. I wouldn't do it on my Kleinbahn railway station because honestly, it's too nice and I don't want to risk things. And that was already bought assembled, so it was factory assembled. This was assembled by somebody, by a previous owner, and it was not really glued down very well on this corner, so I was able to get in and gradually encourage it to get off the board. So the base is absolutely filthy. You can see that this isn't grey, this is brown, so it's absolutely revolting. This needs a good clean, and I'll clean this in some soapy water, give it a really good clean. This piece of flashing wasn't even removed. This has to be removed because it came off. The bulb or light, the lighting will go in here. Last night I tested it using my work lamp here, shining it through here, and of course there's no black lining, and the station had a kind of greenish, ghostly appearance, greenish yellow. It was really dreadful, the kind of thing that you'd be afraid to get off the train if you saw such a station. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to make sure, seal all black it out inside. So I'll paint it with black paint. I'm not bothering with paper because paper would be even more work, cutting things to size. Black paint, no problem. You can see that there's no glazing on this station, but there's this kind of plastic material that resembles curtains, which I will remove to do the paint job, because it's definitely, I don't know what light you see in here because we're not really in a great, we're in a not in a great position, so I'm just going to help us with the work lamp. Here it is. You can see that there's no glazing, but there's this kind of curtain material. Some insects have actually made a nest in there, or some horrible stuff. And what else? Thank you. And so I'm going to remove that. This will get a really good clean. I won't wash it because I'm afraid that these nice, I don't know if these are decals or stickers. I think by the thickness they're stickers. These might actually come off, and I don't want to have to remake everything. So I'm going to clean this stuff here with the LCD screen cleaning solution. Really a very good clean. We can actually do it together on video because I think it's something satisfying to watch. There are some details here that need to be glued back on, like that. There's some missing parts, but this is an easy fix. We can just cut some styrene, and already I've got styrene profiles of this thickness, and then touch everything up with grey paint. There are various, this is a bit on the battered side. You can see that the station nameplates are missing. Not a problem, because I was anyway going to rename this station here. I have to decide a name for this layout, which will be its name in HO guise and the same name translated into English. It has to be something, this is a very French station, so it has to be something sort of French, I would say. Something French sounding, considering I operate an international railway, but there's quite a lot of French stuff on it. And then make it a name that works in English as well, because of course that's a good fun of languages. You can see that there are these tourist destinations, billboards on the side of the station. So here we have one that goes to Alsace here. Here we have I'd looked at that with a magnifying glass, but last night. Auvergne, I think that is, yes, I think it's Auvergne. And at this side we have the Jura Mountains, and this was, what was this? I'd seen it last night, I don't remember. Maybe this is Auvergne, and let's see what the other one is. Trying to see. I can't read it right now. We'll have to make some, look at some macro photography. So they're very nice. I don't want to damage them, so it'll be LCD screen cleaning solution for this job. And that'll do the job very nicely. Because if I shine my work lamp in here, just the spotlight, let's pretend that this is lit up. Like this is nice, of course there's the backlight. I'm putting the main lights off. Ugh. It doesn't look like a very welcoming railway station. It looks pretty dreadful. Apart from the fact that the thing is absolutely filthy, so it's not really. It has to be. It needs some attention. So this will be a quick job. Black paint, matte black paint. We've got plenty of it, and I'll just remove this stuff here and then glue it on again once I've done the job. The window frames, you can see that this kind of glazing or curtain material is coming off very, very easily. And I'll just put it on again at the end with some glue and glaze. I won't bother putting glazing on here, I'll just keep it as it is. Because I could put glazing, and then I could fit the curtains behind the glazing, but I think, maybe it might even be an idea. I've got some, I wouldn't be using quality glazing on here, I'd be using something simple like an acetate sheet, the kind you use for a presentation on those projectors. I found a bit when I was tidying things up, and I think I put it on top of the scanner here in the studio, so that could be something to give the sort of nice window effect. And we could really put glazing as well. That would improve it. We could put the glazing and the curtains behind the glazing. Why not? Let's see what we can come up with. Anyway, this is a quick job. We'll be doing it together to get it going. Anyway, first things first is to clean this disgusting thing here, because there's something missing on the original model. There should be something here. I think for operating a point manually, there's some big handle thing here. I don't remember, but it's missing. There should be a piece of fence here. There should be some railings there. But everything's missing, but it doesn't really matter because this was dirt cheap, and the main thing is that it's like a blank canvas and you can improve it and work on it, but the main thing is to give it a really good thorough clean. So that's that for the moment. I've got less than 5 minutes. Cheerio, and see you next time.